We are here with running the levels, looking for market structure and patterns. Okay, guys, we are marking up EUR, CHF. Let's take a look at what's going on in the market on the monthly time frame. We're going to break down this chart. Price action, we're going to use our rays today. That's our lines. Price action, lowest low. Price action, highest high. Midpoint in the middle. So let's see what we see. So at this high of this area, this is where price started off at. And once that market, what we're going to do is think about the market's coming from this top here, breaking down. Once that market broke down, it's going to come back and return. So that's that break and retest. We're looking for entry in that area here. See that market's going to push down. Let's see what we identify in that area for that break and retest. Okay, so once price spiked up to this high, dropped back down. So we're trying to figure out what's happening into this area wide and break this area of resistance with the area that we're paying attention to. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 to 5 candles in this area here. So this first one was this first candle that pushed up to this high, which the bullish candle, the white one, was a strong dominant candle. The second one was a side-by-side candle, which is a consolidation. So there's no trade. So it's like side by side and level. The next third candle is a doji, so it's an indecisive candle, no trade. You have to wait for the next candle to form to take the entry if it engulfs. The next candle form was a doji as well, so is an indecisive candle, so you have to wait for the next engulfing pattern. And then the next candle came and engulfed all the previous areas here. Okay, so it broke and engulfed the previous bodies of that previous area, which pushed that market down. Okay, so once that market pushed down out of that consolidation, this is what we think about having a midpoint here. And once that market broke, the market came back to return. We look for entry here, and we look for that market to drop back down further. Okay, and there's another peak here. And what do we receive at this structure of this high? At this high, we receive the double top, which is coming up in white is the first leg, second leg on the red, third leg on the white, fourth leg dropping down on the two red candles, which creates the M pattern. Okay, so that's the resistance. Market spiked up once, market spiked up twice, couldn't break, market ended up going back down. Okay, so when we're looking at that market pushed up to that high, we're looking for that market at the highest candle in that area, which is a white and red one. So the white one is the highest one, the red one's a doji, so we're not going to take a trade with the doji. We need an engulfing pattern. The next candle formed and engulf the previous areas of the bodies and candles of the previous 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5, 4 candles, and that market did what? Pushed down. Okay, so that'll be an entry right here. And then if you think about creating that area of what highest high here and having that area of, let's say, bring the lowest low maybe down to this area here and having that midpoint going right through the middle, what did we receive after we took that trade for the engulfing pattern? We received that market doing the break. Okay, even though it consolidated, that's still the break at that midpoint. Consolidated, market came back to retest with this candle here. The market did what? Drop right back down. Very important information, guys. Please review and study Forex pattern cheat sheet. Click on images. So we're looking at patterns like as we see here. This is the head and shoulders pattern, inverted. So it's the left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So overall, when the market's spiking down once, spiking down twice, spiking down 3 times at that area of support, and it's not breaking, and eventually the market's going to do what? Turn around and do what? right back up. Very important information, guys. Very important information, guys. Please review breakout retest strategy. Find some images. So, it's a perfect chart. We're working on both ends. So if the market is in the uptrend, so this chart right here, where the market's in the uptrend, market's working its way up. We waiting for the market to break the midpoint line, come back to return. We look for entry when the market should be going up. That's the market we're looking for. But if it doesn't, we'll see the trade. The market will drop back down. Same way with the downside. The market's in a downtrend, and the market's breaking the support line, meaning the floor. What happens? Market breaks the midpoint line, comes back to return. This area here, you look for entry, look for that market to drop. And if it doesn't drop with the entry that's in this level here, and that means we'll see the market is going to push up. But if it doesn't push up, the market is going to consolidate. Hey guys, this is Cam Jones, FX, running the levels. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your attention. EUR CHF.